Dow Jones and Nasdaq retraced a little on the downside and now back on the path of recovery and bullishness here. Does it mean that we can see another bullish day for indices, or there is a possibility of a slight drop? What is going to be our strategy trading Dow Jones and Nasdaq? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. Do like, share, subscribe, and comment. Do press the bell icon to get the twice a day updates. This is the second update for the day. First update I released few hours back before the Asia and Europe session. And if you're not joined the channel membership, do join the channel memberships. Let's start first Tech 100 followed with Dow Jones. Watch this. Now, first on the hourly charts, look at these two candles and considering these as anchor at 18040, that is the only level above which I will recommend you to buy. Else, what has Tech 100 done? Drop, retracements, resistance here at 18,000, 18,010, lower lows, retracement, and it is trying to create a bearish channel here. Where are the lows for this channel? Somewhere here at, if it breaks below 17,940, certainly you can say that the bears will take over. Else, what it has done? It has come to take the support from the 20 period moving average trying to rise. Thus, above 18,000, 18,010, you can buy again and expect it to rise towards 18,040, 50 levels. Stochastic rising, MACD is bearish here. RSI has just come out of the overbought zone. Coming to 2 hour, look at the 2 hour charts. There was a reversal sign. It has shown a drop, but then 17,950 proven out to be a good support. We have seen earlier in the day why this could be a good support. Now it is retracing here, but I will not confirm this for a rise as long as 17,810 and 840, 850 zone is not taken. Yes, the 20 period moving average are still far below at 17,900, 880, which is definitely an achievable levels if it continues to stay below 17,940, 950 zone. Stochastic has dropped. MACD is on the verge of a crossover which could lead to bearishness. It has not yet crossed over. Remember this fact. Stock RSI is just overbought and it is coming out of the overbought levels. Coming to 3 hour, look at 3 hour charts. Look at the preceding few candles. See double top in the preceding candle suggests that see, this was a reversal. This is going to be the retracement. As long as 18,010, 18,000 levels are not breached, possibility of reversal again on the downside will be very, very high. And on the downside, 79.50, 940 is the zone it needs to break in order to confirm the drop towards 900, 880. Too much of divergence of the price from the moving average calls for it to converge, but right now it is not showing much interest in it. The stochastic has dropped a bit. MACD is in green, trying to converge a bit. RSI is still overbought. Coming to 4 hour, look at 4 hour chart. See reversal sign, two lows here, but see the preceding candle was a bearish candle, but look at the tail. It has formed a very big tail, suggests that the prices were not willing to stay bearish and it is closed in red. That is one observation. It could have, even if it was not willing to stay bearish, it could have turned in green, but it did not. It suggests that the bulls are still not very much interested with the rise. Thus, only buying opportunity I will recommend is at 18,010, and then only bullish confirmation is if it breaks beyond 18,040 and 50 levels. Else, I will not treat. See what it will do. It will achieve the highs here and then reverse. That is one possibility you should always look at. The stochastic overbought trying to cool down. MACD is in green trying to converge a bit. RSI is near to overbought levels. Coming to day. Now, first of all, on the daily charts, couple of observation here is the highs are beautifully aligned. Double top is what you can see, and also you should consider this as a expanding bearish triangle. See this? It is reversed. It is getting resistance here, and a reversal from here can take it towards the lows. But right now, today's day is going to be decisive for its future movement. Any break beyond 18,040 50 levels certainly should be a bullish indication for the day, where we are looking forward to 18,120, and then beyond that sky is the limit. We can look forward to 18,200 plus levels. Now one must notice what it has done. It has stayed bearish, breakout here, and today's candle will be decisive. Next is we have seen it getting support at 17,950, levels, yes, below which you can initiate a selling entry for 17,890, and then below that 17,840 levels. In fact, 800 cannot be denied if it continues to trade bearish. Stochastic rising, MACD is bearish here trying to converge. It has not yet crossed over, and it has lot much of room on the downside as well. RSI has dropped. So now we have seen the charts and indicators. But before I give you the trading levels and strategy, if you want to learn this art of trading, be a part of my 29th mentorship batch commencing on 4th of March. Limited seats are available now. Register yourself now. Reach out to me for more details. Also, if you just want to trade as per the signals, you can be part of my signals channel on Telegram. Write an email or ping me on Telegram for any of your queries related to the services. Do join the free Telegram channel for live market updates, and do join the platform forexfunda.com, where you get all the markets related information, the live charts and along with community of traders, and also you can book a call there with me if you need any consultation or guidance. With that, see, a buying entry at 18,010 can be taken, but then you have to be careful, you have to be watchful beyond 18,010. If it tries to stay, remember it can reverse any point of time from somewhere between 18,040 50 levels, and it is to be treated bullish if it breaks beyond 18,050. A possibility of a further rise. First target should be at around 18,100 120 levels, and then 18,185 18,195 levels should be the next target if it stays bullish from the current levels. On the sell side, I will recommend a sell if you see it is staying below 17,950. But 17,950.40 is a very very good support, and below that you can look forward to 17 695. I mean 17,895, and then 17,895 880 is the first support zone. Below that you can expect 17,840 and then 17,800 levels. Take your trades accordingly. Do not trade in between 69.40 950 and on the upside 18,010 levels. Trade accordingly. Let's have a look at Dow Jones. Look at US30. What US30 has done, it has achieved the 20 period moving average, taking the support. It is trying to rise, willing to stay bullish here, willing to move towards higher highs. We have to be cautious at around double top levels, that is 33,150 levels. Stochastic rising, MACD is still bearish, RSI is also showing a little rise. Coming to 2-hour chart, now look at 2-hour charts here, rise, retracement, and then a reversal. So yes, it is trying to stay bullish, but then I will wait for it to break beyond 33, 39, 150, 160 zone, which should be a greater resistance for US30. Also, one must look at the support levels on the downside at 38, 950 are also very, very strong. Stochastic rising, MACD is in green trying to converge, RSI is staying overbought here. On the 3-hour chart, similar observation, and on the 3-hour chart, this also appears to be a breakout. This suggests that the bullishness is going to stay here. That is what it appears. But again, 39 160 levels you should watch. And on the downside, look at this in the early morning update. I have mentioned why 39,040 39,030 could be a good support zone. Stochastic overbought trying to cool down. MACD is in green trying to stay bullish. RSI is overbought. On the 4-hour chart, look at the 4-hour charts. It appears it is willing to give a breakout, and thus you should be careful at around 39 160 double top levels. Else, also you should treat this as symmetry. Now, what has happened here? If you treat this as symmetry, these two identical candles, uh, it can achieve highs and reverse from these levels towards the lows. Be watchful of this. Stochastic overbought, MACD divergent and bullish, RSI overbought here. Coming to daily. Now look at daily charts. See, in fact, even if it breaks the preceding highs at 39 160, you can expect it to get little resistance at around 39 200. Remember, it is outside Bollinger Bands, thus achieving the highs. It can show a pullback towards 38 950 and 38 800 levels as well. Stochastic rising, MACD is on the verge of a crossover. This is a bullish cross. Be watchful of this. Be mindful of this. RSI almost flat. Considering this for the day, I will recommend you to buy here at 38 160 levels, but then you have to be careful at around 38 200 205 levels, first resistance. And if it breaks this zone, you can expect it to move towards 38 255 and then 38 350. Remember, the on the upside now, the levels, the targets are at wide away levels here. Thus 38 250 38 350 is the next resistance, which is going to play a major role. On the downside, a selling entry can be taken here at around 39,030 levels, where you can expect it to move towards 38 950 levels as a very very good support. 38 950 960. If it breaks, you can expect more bearishness to prevail, which can take the prices towards 38 880 and 38 820 levels. Greater support exists at 38 820. Take your positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch webinar series Signals channel. Reach out to me for any of your queries. Do watch the next update on the weekly reviews. Does press the bell icon. Do join my mentorship batch, webinar series, and Signals channel. Do like, share, and comment as well, friends. Thank you very much. Have a great, profitable trading day ahead and a happy weekend.